Hey there, Salesforce enthusiast. Welcome back to SFDC Guru, your go-to channel for all things Salesforce. Ever feel like managing customer relationships and growing your business is just like juggling chainsaws blindfolded? Well, fear not, because today we are diving deep into the world of Salesforce, the ultimate tool to revolutionize how you manage customers and boost your business to new heights. And hey, if you are new to CRM, which is customer relationship management, or even Salesforce itself, don't worry. We have got you covered with real world examples that will make you everything crystal clear. Picture yourself at the helm of this lively restaurant. Orders flying left and right, wait staff overwhelmed, customers growing restless. Sound familiar? Well, that's where CRM comes into play, acting as your digital memory, storing all your customer information in one convenient place, accessible anytime, anywhere. With Salesforce, managing customer details, tracking orders, and analyzing preferences becomes a piece of cake. Say goodbye to missed birthdays or forgotten dietary restrictions. Happy customers equal loyal customers. And that's where the real growth happens. Now let's talk about Salesforce and the cloud. But hey, don't sweat it. It's not mystical land above the clouds with lightning bolts striking. Think of it like renting a fully equipped office instead of building your own from the scratch. That's the beauty of the cloud. Salesforce handles all the heavy lifting like infrastructure, security, updates, while you get to focus on using the tools. And speaking of clouds, there are different types of cloud services, including SaaS, which is software as a service, like Salesforce, where you use the software directly. PaaS is platform as a service, where you build your own applications, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service, where you rent the basic building blocks to create whatever you need. Salesforce is SaaS, making it super easy to get started, just like renting a pre-furnished office. Wondering who's rocking Salesforce? Look no further. From sports giants like Adidas to music moguls like Spotify and even automotive titans like Toyota, companies across all industries trust Salesforce to manage their customers. So if it's good enough for them, imagine what it can do for your business. Ready to take your career to the next level? Salesforce skills are in high demand, my friends. Whether you are a sales superstar or marketing maven, an administrative ace, or even if you don't have technical background, there is a Salesforce path for you. Become a Salesforce certified professional and watch your career skyrocket. And hey developers and coding enthusiasts, rejoice. Salesforce offers endless opportunities to build custom applications and push the boundaries of customer experience. Don't let the term cloud in Salesforce scare you off. It simply refers to different versions tailored to specific needs, from managing leads and deals in Sales Cloud to crafting targeted marketing campaigns in Marketing Cloud, delivering exceptional customer service in Service Cloud, or even streamlining operations in specialized industries like healthcare or education. There is a cloud for every Salesforce enthusiast out there. Why dive into learning Salesforce, you ask? Well, the numbers speak for themselves. The job market is booming, with demand for Salesforce professionals expected to skyrocket in the coming years. It's the ultimate skill to future-proof your career, open doors to exciting opportunities, and unlock your earning potential. So, are you ready to join the Salesforce revolution? This is just the beginning, folks. Dive deeper, explore the cloud, and discover how Salesforce can empower you and your business to reach new heights. Remember, the future is in cloud, and here at SFDC Guru, we are here to guide you every step of the way. And that's a wrap, Salesforce warriors. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of Salesforce. If you are hungry for more tips, tricks, and tutorials, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of Salesforce enthusiasts. Remember, The journey of Salesforce mastery is just beginning. So keep exploring, keep learning, and together let's transform the way we do business. Until next time, stay awesome and keep Salesforcing. Bye bye.